Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you real quick how I made these Christmas snowflakes. Alright y'all, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a chain of 7. So I'm making my slip knot. Now I'm just gonna go up 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to form a ring by going back into the first stitch and doing a slip knot. Now once you have your ring, we are going to insert, wait, I don't think we insert just yet. We're going to chain 2. So I'm going to chain 2 just like that, and then I am going to insert 11 single crochets in the ring. So let's go. Here is 1, here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That's going to give us 12 single crochets in this ring, and then I'm going to just go into the top of the first stitch and close this off with a slip stitch. And pull this back string to tighten up this ring. So here we are. We're getting ready to go into the next round, round 2. This pattern calls for a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain 4 counts as, I'm going to just zoom this in a bit. This chain 4 counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 1. So you're going to go into the next stitch and insert another double crochet, and you're going to do this 11 times for a total of 12 stitches. So here we go. Double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, then you do it again, double crochet into the next stitch, and then chain 1. And you're going to keep doing this all the way around until you have 12 double crochets, and then we're going to end it with a slip stitch. So I'm going to continue this on. I'm going to meet you at the end. Okay, so I've made it through my 12 double crochet stitches with that chain of 1 on the top, and I'm getting ready to end this with a slip stitch in the top of the first stitch, just like that. And I left this open space for a reason. So going into the round 3, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to be inserting a single crochet into the first chain space right here, okay, in the space, just like that, 1 single crochet, and then you're going to insert a single crochet into the top of the double crochet. So right next to it, in the top of the double crochet, you insert another single crochet, and then you go into the next space here and insert a single crochet, and you're going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 24 single crochets. So on top of the double crochet, make a single, and then in the space, I'm going to continue this all the way around, and then I'm going to meet you back at the end. Okay guys, I've made it to the top. I'm going to end this round with a slip stitch in the top of the first single crochet. And now we're moving on to the next round, round 4, which calls for you to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And that chain counts as a double crochet. And so next to, and within the next 3 spaces here, you're going to put a double crochet in the next 3 spaces. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. When you put your third double crochet, you're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're going to insert a double crochet in the next chain space. In the next single crochet space. Insert a double. And then insert 3 more doubles in the next 3 the next 3 single crochet spaces. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. And now we're just going to keep repeating this pattern here. So you would chain another 7. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I'm kind of fighting with the yarn here. And then you're going to do a double crochet right in the next single crochet space. And then you put another double crochet 3 times in the next 3 spaces. Okay, and so you're going to just keep repeating that. You're going to want 6 of these clusters in the circle. So I'm going to finish making my clusters and then I will return at the end. Alright. I'm at the end. I got 6 clusters going all the way around. And so now I'm just going to put in my final 7 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to slip stitch it into the top of the first cluster. Alright, so now we got that slip stitched in there. We're almost at the end, guys. Round 5, which is the final round. You chain 1. Alright. Then you skip the first double crochet, which is after the chain. So it's actually this one, not the one that you put the chain over, but the next one. You skip that one. And then you put a single crochet into the third double crochet. And then you put 4 more single crochets. So you put 1 into that next single crochet space. And then this will be 2 that's going into that chain 7 space. And then 3. and then 4. Once you get to 4, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain to make a picot. So you just stick your hook at the top of the chain and then do a slip stitch. And then at this point, you're going to put 4 more single crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you skip the next 2 double crochets. Skip these 2. You're going into the 3rd with a single crochet. And you repeat the pattern. So now you're doing 4 more single crochets. So 1 in the space here, that's 1. Go into the chain 7 and do your single crochet, and that's 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then you're chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you slip stitch in the top of the chain and make your picot. And then you do 4 more single crochet in that same chain 7 space. I'm fighting the yarn here. That was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 2 doubles, insert your single into the 3rd double crochet, and you just keep repeating that all the way around. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to see you at the end. Okay guys, I've made it to the end, and this is what we're looking like here. All I did was finish doing the same pattern all the way around, and I ended it with a slip stitch in the 2nd double crochet, which would be about here. Just end it with the slip stitch, and then you'll be all done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and come back and see me again next time. Happy holiday season. Bye.